Good morning to class 8th. Good morning to all of you students. I am R.K. Rai and today I teach you past perfect tense. Our tense chapter is going on. Already I taught you present indefinite, past indefinite, future indefinite, present continuous, past continuous, future continuous, present perfect, and now I teach you past perfect. It will be remaining chapter in tense. It will be remaining part in tense. Thereafter, past perfect continuous, 3 or 4 part will be more remaining. I will finish as soon as possible. So today, the part I am going to teach you, the name of that part is past perfect tense. What is the definition of past perfect tense and what will it be? So students, I have written here for you, for explaining you the definition of the past perfect tense. Just be focused on there, and on your screen board you can see here what is the definition of past perfect tense. Look, when an action had to be completed in past time, it is said to be past perfect tense. What does it mean? When any work we finished in past time, it is said to be past perfect tense. Suppose you are eating and you finished your eating work in past, so it is called past perfect tense. Means your eating work already done. Your eating work already done in past time. It means it is a past perfect tense. So what is the definition of past perfect tense? Okay, when any action we completed already in past time, तो it is said to be past perfect tense. मतलब जब हम किसी कार्य को भूतकाल में पूरा कर चुके थे तो उसे हम past perfect tense कहते हैं. Here you can see one example. I have written one example for explaining you in better way. I had done my homework. So what I have done? What I had done? My homework. So what had been done by me? My homework. So homework work we have done in past time. So it is said to be past perfect tense. मैंने काम करने का काम पूरा कर चुके थे, तो इसे हम अपना होमवर्क हम पूरा कर चुके थे, तो इसे हम पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस कहेंगे. कि जब हम किसी काम को पास्ट में पूरा कर चुके थे उसी को हम पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस कहेंगे. ठीक है. नाउ आइडेंटिफिकेशन. What will be the identification? What is the Hindi of identification? पहचान. How to identify कि which tense is this? So it depends on the identification of the tense. With the help of this identification, on behalf of this identification, you can very easily identify कि which tense is this. It is past perfect, it is future perfect, it is present continuous. So how to identify? On behalf of identification. So when you find चुका था, चुकी थी and चुके थे, apart from this, if you find या था, ई थी, ये थे, apart from you find रखा था, रखी थी, रखे थे. So if you find all this type of things at the end of the sentence, so you just identify, you have to say कि it is the identification of past perfect tense. अगर आप चुका था, चुकी थी, चुके थे, या था, ई थी, ये थे, रखा था, रखी थी, रखे थे, इस तरह की चीजों को पाए वाक्य के अंत में, तो समझ जाइए कि ये पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस की पहचान है. उसके हिसाब से आप लोग बनाएंगे. देखिएगा, पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस में सबसे पहले हम असर्टिव सेंटेंस बनाएंगे. ठीक है. रूल, नियम जिसको हम कहते हैं. What we make first? Assertive sentence. What is the full definition of A dot V dot? A dot it means assertive, V dot it means sentence. Sorry, S. A dot S dot. It is my mistake. A dot S dot. A for assertive, S for sentence. Okay. So first of all we put here subject. Thereafter helping verb. It will be had. Okay. Then main, third form of main verb. Then object. Okay. Had. We use had with singular or plural both subject. Okay. There will be no any change. Okay. If had with singular and have with plural, no. There is only one word, had. So had we use with both singular or plural. Now let us have an example. मैं खाना बना चुकी थी. मैं खाना. Now you can find at the end of the sentence चुका था, चुकी थी, चुके थे. So it is the identification of past perfect tense. So how to convert? First of all, we have the subject मैं. It is a subject in English I. Then we have a helping verb had because it is a sentence of past perfect. So had with I we put here had. Thereafter we have the third form of the main verb. First of all, we know where is the main verb. तो बना चुकना. You find the main verb at the end of the sentence. तो बनाना. So in sense of the food, in sense of the food, so we do not put here make. Make, it is also the Hindi version of make is banana. But we put here cook because in the sense of cooking the food we put cook. Cook. But not we put here cook first form. We put here third form of the main verb. So what is the third form of the cook? Cooked. Cooked. I had cooked. So what we had cooked? Food. It is the object and we put after the main verb. Where we put the object? We put the object after the main verb. So it is the main verb. Okay, third form of the main verb. Then we put here object, the food. तो I had cooked the food. हमने इसे बना लिया है. ठीक है. हमने क्या किया? सबसे पहले सब्जेक्ट को लिया, उसके बाद हेल्पिंग वर्ब हैड को लिया, उसके बाद मेन वर्ब का थर्ड फॉर्म बनाना, खाना बनाने के सेंस में कुक होता है, उसका थर्ड फॉर्म कुक किया, फिर हमने ऑब्जेक्ट द फूड को यहाँ पे रखा. ठीक है. इसी तरह से आपका नेगेटिव बनता है. नेगेटिव में आपको कुछ नहीं करना है. ठीक है. नेगेटिव सेंटेंस में आपको क्या करना है? सब्जेक्ट, उसके बाद हेल्पिंग वर्ब हैड, देन नॉट, थर्ड फॉर्म एंड ऑब्जेक्ट. Okay, what we have put here? Subject, helping verb had, then not, because it is a negative sentence. Then third form of the main verb and then object. Then we start with the example. Let us have an example in negative sentence. First, वह दुकान नहीं गया था. You find याद था, ये थी, ये थे at the end of the sentence. So what I told you, if you find चुका था, चुकी थी, चुके थे, याद था, ये थी, ये थे, रखा था, रखी थी, रखे थे, तो you have to identify with your own thought. Okay, it is the identification of past perfect or not. When you find it is the identification of past perfect, then you have to tell yourself that which sentence is this. It is a negative. You have found here anything related to negative, not or never. Yeah, it is a assertive. Yeah, it is a interrogative. So, on behalf of this, you will make the sentence. You will convert from English Hindi to English. तो वह दुकान नहीं गया था. We have found here नहीं, not. So it is a negative sentence. For negative sentence, we put here first of all subject. So what is the subject? वह गया था. It means it is a male, masculine gender. So we put here he. It is a pronoun. Okay, a pronoun he. Then we put had because we put here helping verb had. Then not because it is a negative sentence. So for making negative sentence, we put here not. Then after the not, we put here main verb, third form of the main verb. So where is the main verb? Gaya, jana. So go. What is the third form of the go? Gone. Then we put here gone. Then finally we put here कहाँ नहीं गया था? Where he had not gone? दुकान, to shop. So your negative sentence is already done here. Okay? तो ये नेगेटिव सेंटेंस में सब्जेक्ट हेड के साथ नॉट, मेन वर्ब का थर्ड फॉर्म ऑब्जेक्ट, वी हैव एन एग्जाम्पल, वह दुकान नहीं गया था, तो व्हाट डिड वी डू हियर, तो हमने क्या किया, वह ही लड़का था इसीलिए, लड़की होता तो शी, देन वी पुट हियर हेल्पिंग वर्ब हैड, देन नॉट, फिर what we have done here, we found here the main verb jana. What is the English of jana? Go. Then we put here the third form of the main verb to go. What is the third form of the main verb? Go. Then go ka go went gone. Gone. Then where he had not gone? दुकान, to shop. तो ये हमारा नेगेटिव सेंटेंस भी पूरा हो गया. उम्मीद कर रहा हूँ I hope you understand what I teach you. If you find any difficulties, so we have a lecture, you can ask me in my lecture, in our chatting time. Now, our next move is, what will be our next move? Interrogative sentence. I for interrogative, S for sentence. Okay? So, there are two kinds of interrogative. One is started with helping verb type interrogative, another is started with WS type. So first of all we started with helping verb. So what do we do in helping verb? First of all we put here had, because it is the helping verb of past perfect. Then we put here subject. Then we put here third form of the main verb. And then object. And we put here punctuation of interrogation. Let us have an example. क्या we start with क्या, because it is a helping verb. क्या वे खेत में सोए थे. The same thing you have found here. सोए थे, या था, ये थी, ये थे. So it is a identification of past perfect tense. We start with the helping verb had. They, it is a plural. They, it is a in English they. Then after they, we put here third form of the main verb sona. It is a main verb. Sona sleep. What is the third form of sleep? Slept. Okay, slept. Where did they slept? Where did they sleep? So, in the field. What is the English version of may? In. It is a preposition. In the field. तो ये आपका हो गया had they slept in the field. क्या वे खेत में सोए थे. इस तरह से आपका हेल्पिंग वर्ब बना. सबसे पहले हमने क्या रखा, हेल्पिंग वर्ब had, सब्जेक्ट, मेन वर्ब का थर्ड फॉर्म ऑब्जेक्ट, क्वेश्चन मार्क, क्योंकि ये इंट्रोगेटिव है. क्या वे खेत में सोए थे. ठीक है, तो यहाँ सबसे पहले हेड रखा, वे का इंग्लिश दे रखा. अब यहाँ पे हमको मेन वर्ब था स्लीप, स्लीप का थर्ड फॉर्म स्लेप्ट रखा, प्रीपोजिशन में का मतलब इन रखा, और उसके बाद खेत का द फील्ड हमने बनाया. ठीक है, उसके बाद इंट्रोगेशन का मार्क हमने रखा. नाउ वी मूव ऑन WS टाइप इंट्रोगेटिव एंड WH. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू पुट WH, देन helping verb had, then subject, then the third form of the main verb, and then object and question mark. Okay, so we start with our example. तुम कहां गए थे. ओके, तो कहां, where, then गया था, ये थे, past perfect, had, after WH we put here had, double question word, then we put here subject. What is the subject? तुम, तो you, then जाना, go, the third form of the main verb, you gone. Where had you gone? With this your past perfect is finished. Now in past perfect I will teach you one more thing, before and after. Where is the use of before? Where is the use of after? I will teach you later on. First of all, you have to focus on this. Okay? Thereafter, after few times, I teach you the use of before and after. Till then, friends, goodbye.